tons of it. It's not going to pick them up very well, probably. It's too small. I got an idea. All these birds. Millions of them. Millions. You to hold this. Ready?
What the hell was that?
Did you got one?
Look up! Wow. Look at him!
Oh my god.
I probably got one. You wouldn't have to aim very well, would you? Millions. Now they're going to their trees. Just because, like, good. Get the fuck out of
Some
here.
of them came back, but not a lot.
They don't like that. Ooh, they're good. Attack. Imagine if they all just attacked us right now.
You fuck you.
Oh my god, they could kill us.
Yeah, there's a lot of them, yeah. Yes, I was wondering what the fuck that sound was. A fucking shit ton of birds.
They're going to the neighbors now. The neighbors are gonna be like, what the fuck?
That's fucking insane.
All done.
I think they're gone now.
22 versus birds. I win.
Can't touch me.
We would be honored if you would join